Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview blog for market insights and news. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. I'm not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step will be to access the Tradingview blog. Now you can access Tradingview blog by clicking on the blog button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 will be to read market insights and news. So you can go ahead and read market insights and news on the Tradingview blog, and that's going to help you to stay up to date on market trends and analysis. Step 3 will be to subscribe to the Tradingview blog. All right, so you can subscribe to the Tradingview blog, and that's going to help you to receive updates on new posts and new contents. The fourth and final step will be to, of course, share your thoughts and comments on blog posts, just to have a little bit of engagement. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview blogs for market insights and news. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the next